Creating an org chart in PowerPoint or in MS Excel is a super complicated task in older days. Every time we need to take the relevant shapes and need to arrange them in a specific manner to align the organization positions like this. I personally feel it's a lot of time consuming task, but now Office 365 made this task very easy than ever before with some simple steps. All you need to do is to enable Visio add-in in MS Excel. Go to Home tab, click on Add-ins. Under the Add-ins pop-up, click on Get Add-ins. This will open up the Add-ins window. Search for Visio. You can see on the top Microsoft Visio Data Visualizer. Click on Add. Click Continue. Now you can see Data Visualizer has come. Click on Continue without sign in. If you want to sign in, you should have a licensed version. To create a basic organization chart, you don't need to sign in here. Continue without sign in. Here you can see three type of charts. One is basic flow chart and cross-functional flow chart and organization chart. You can choose any one to create. I'm going to create organization chart now. So under organization chart, still we can see 5 more options, the 5 more layout types. You can select whichever you wish to prepare. I'm going to take a hybrid, click create. Now this will add some sample data with the visualization. See how cool is that? The only requirement here is you need to arrange the data as per this table. That's it. If you want to add any additional employees, you can still add ID 14, name James Robert, Java developer. He is going to report ID 3. Let's assume Paul Lomas is the manager to James Robert, and you can choose the role type as a consultant. I'm going to add one more, ID 15, William Robert, Power BI developer. He is going to report ID 4, assistant. After adding the required details, click on refresh. This will update the details. Let's see James Robert. You can see James Robert is added under Paul Lomas, who is his manager, ID 3, and ID 15, William Robert as a Power BI developer. We have mapped under ID 4, Sergio Udenis. You can see Sergio Udenis here. Under Sergio Udenis, William Robert is added as Power BI developer. See how simple is that. You can also resize, however, how much you want the size, and you can also zoom in and zoom out, and you can click here to fit into the page. After preparing this chart, right click on the chart, click on print, click print. This will open up dialog to save as PDF and give a name and click on save. This will be saved as a PDF. You can open it. See the layout saved as a PDF here. And suppose if you are going to prepare a PowerPoint presentation and you need to add into the PowerPoint, and click outside and press Windows Shift S to take a screenshot. Select the layout and go to PowerPoint, add a new slide, delete all the objects and paste the organization chart and resize how much you want, and make sure it is in the center, and you can give a title org chart. Go to shapes, take the line, hold the shift key and drag it. It gives a perfect line. Go to shape outline and click the color, and that's it. You prepared an amazing org chart with the simple steps in Excel Office 365. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please like the video and share it with your friends. And Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more and more tips like this. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.